Hey, eighth graders, welcome to a new week. We're getting there this week and next week, and I think assignments are all going to be wrapped up. We're going to finish up the surface area chapter 10. We're going to go all the way to 10-2 independent practice to do some surface area of cylinders together, lateral and total. So do the ones with me and show your work on notebook paper, please. And like I say, we'll only be doing selected ones for some good practice. Okay, at the top, let's go ahead and write your name right up here. Would be great. And but let's write our two formulas for lateral and total surface area of cylinders. Okay? Cylinders. All right, for lateral, we'll just call it L like we did last week. And it is, as y'all can see, if we unfolded this, it would look like this. It would be a rectangle with the two circles. Correct? And so the circumference, 2 pi r, is the length of this rectangle. Do y'all agree that? So it's 2 pi r times the height of the cylinder times this height right here. All right, my friends. So 2 pi r times h. Okay, or 2 pi r h. You really don't need the parentheses. Then our total would be the lateral. Let's just make it easy. It's the lateral, which is 2 pi r times h, plus 2 area of the base, 2 capital B, is pi r squared. Okay? So those are the two formulas we're going to need to be using on these 6 cylinders. Sound good? Easy enough? Lateral is 2 pi r h, and total is take your lateral that you just figured plus 2 pi r squared. Not hard. All right, so, and I believe your charts at school or your formula charts in your folders say S equals 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Just like that. But if we've already figured it for lateral, then you can just put it in as L, okay? And plug in your answers. All right, so I'm going to show work, and I'd like for you to do the same thing on notebook paper, or paper. Now, mine's not notebook, but yours is probably. So we want to start with number 4. Is everybody cool on that? We're going to do lateral first. And we'll put L equals 2 pi r h. Let's plug in. All right, shade your bases. It's saying that diameter is 16. If diameter, class, is 16, what is radius? Radius equals 8. And height equals 8. So we shade our bases and circle our height. That was a diameter of 16, so it's a radius of 8. So let's go plug in 2 pi, and radius is 8. I'm just going to put parentheses, 8. Height is 8. Now, the reason I left it pi is I'm going to use the calculator and use the pi button. Sound like a plan to y'all? So let's clear, and let's go 2 times second, where did our pi go? Yeah, right there. Hang on. Let me go back. I'm just changing my mind, y'all. It's hard for y'all to see that. Let's just go 2, 3.14 times 8 times 8, 64. Sound good? 2 times 3.14 is 6.28 times 64. All right, let's go for it. On. 6.28 times 64, enter. It didn't even do it. Clear and clear. 6.28 times 64, enter. 401 and 92 hundredths. They said to use 3.14. Okay, and to the nearest tenth, look next door, so it would just be 0.9. So L equals 401.9 approximately. There we go. So go down up to your line and put L. L is approximately 401.9. Now to do total, it starts with S. We're going to use our L that we just determined right there, plus 2 pi r squared, because that's the area of the base, pi r squared. We need 2 of those. So we're going to put 401.9 plus 2 times 3.14 times 8 squared. Okay? 401.9 plus, how about 6.28 times 8 times 8, 64. Okay, next, let's do 6.28. We already did a while ago, and it's 401. Isn't that fun? It is also 401, because the 8s were the same. It's also 401.9 plus 401.9 equals, here we go, 803.8. 803.8 inches squared surface area. Okay? S equals approximately 803.8 inches squared. Inches squared. Good, good? All right. Let's omit number 5. Give ourselves some space. Sound good? So you're going to be doing number 6 all by yourselves. I want lateral and total. Let's do one of these 3. Alrighty. Let's do number 8. Okay? Number 8. A rain barrel has a diameter. So on your paper, we're going to draw a rain barrel. Here's our rain barrel. Draw your cylinder. Good. And it has a diameter of 18 inches. So if D equals 18, what's radius, guys? Radius equals 9. So it's got a radius of 9, and it's got a height of 3 feet. Oh, we got to be careful here. Look here, guys. We've got feet here and 9 inches here. So what y'all want to do? Let's change our, this is 0.25. Do y'all agree that 9 out of 30, 9 out of 12, 9 out of 12. Because it's 9 inches out of 12 inches, which is 1 foot. So that's 0.75, because that simplifies to 3/4. Do you agree with that? So that simplifies to 0.75. Do you agree? Good. I hope so. So let's just, that was 9 inches. Well, we either have to convert our inches to feet or our feet to inches. And I say let's just stick with feet. So the radius is equal to 0.75 foot, 0.75 feet. All right. Agree? I'll take that off now. So let's do lateral first. L equals 2 pi r h. Here we go. 2 parentheses 3.14 times radius. Radius is 0.75. 0.75. Height is 3. Cool beans? 2 times pi. Radius is 0.75 of a foot and 3 feet tall. Okay, the height. So, again, that's 6.28 times 0.75 times 3. Here we go. Calculator on. 6.28 times 0.75 times 3. Enter. 14.13. So L is approximately 14.13. And they said round it to the nearest tenth. So we'll point next door to the 3, and so 1 would stay 1. L is approximately 14.1 feet squared. Okay, awesome. So that's number 8. L is approximately 14.1 feet squared. Okay? Now, for its total, for the total, shall we? We shall. I'm going to go ahead and erase that, my friends, right there. So here was our lateral for number 8. Here is our total for number 8. Total would be S equals our L that we got, 14.1, plus 2 times pi r squared. Agree? Agree. Okay, so we know for L we're going to plug in 14.1 plus 2 times 3.14. We figured that our radius, back over here to our picture, was 0.75 squared. So it's important that you show me the next line, because we only want to square 0.75. No, not square root, girl. Clear. Sorry about that. 0.75 squared, enter. 0.5625. 0.5625. So we've got 14.1 plus 6.28 times 5.5625. So we got to multiply here. This is what goes first using PEMDAS. 14.1 plus 6.28 times 0.5625, enter. 3.5325. 3.5325. 14.5325. Read that? 14.1 plus 3.5325. Enter. Answer is 17.6325. To the nearest tenth, underline the 6, point to the 3. Okay, the surface area is 17, or total surface area, 17.6. Because when you look next door, it's just a 3. What are these units? These units were feet squared. So back up there on the line or underneath, total surface area was, where'd it go? Class. Oh, right there. 17.6 feet squared. Hot diggity dog. All right. So you're going to do number 6 on your own, and you're also going to do number 9 on your own. You may omit number 7. So we did one drawing and one word problem where we had to draw it. You get to do this drawing. Notice it already gives you radius. So radius equals 6. Height equals 9. Nothing hard there. Here we've got inches and inches, so keep it in inches and find your lateral and total surface area for cylinders. You may omit the rest of this. Okay, girls and guys, number 6 and number 9. Take a picture, send it in. Have a happy, blessed day, you guys. Hope to see you later. I turn on my video at 10 for you 8th graders. If any of you have questions, any of you need to work some together. I'm still looking for some long lost papers from some long lost people that I need to hear from. So I hope you're watching the video, and I hope you get a shot, take a picture, send it to me, or get on at 10 o'clock and hold it up in front of the camera so I can give you credit. Okay, you guys? Y'all take care. Have a blessed, happy day. Bye-bye.